Good morning, students. Yesterday we could not continue our class due to technical issues. Let us solve this problem of exercise 1.2, problem number 1. In this problem, f from r star to r star given by f of x equal 1 by x. We have to prove that the function defined like this is 1, 1 and onto. Okay. So, what is the meaning of r star here? R star is nothing but non-zero reals. It is defined in the problem. So, let x1 comma x2 belongs to r star such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. This is the way to start to prove any function as 1, 1. F of x1 is 1 by x1, f of x2 is 1 by x2. So, 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2 implies x1 equal to x2 automatically. So, f is 1, 1. Now, to prove the function f is onto, let y belongs to r star. This is codomain. So, codomain में मैंने एक एलिमेंट लिया and I am writing an element x as 1 by x. इसका reciprocal को मैंने x लिया. That is also belongs to r star, but that is domain. Now, for this prepared x, if I take f of x is f of 1 by y. F of 1 by y is by definition 1 by y equal to y. So, f of x equal y हुआ. So, what we have proved, for all y belongs to r star codomain, there exists some x belongs to r star domain such that f of x equal to y. Therefore, f is onto. In this same problem, the question has been asked whether the function remains 1, 1 onto if we change the domain as r star to natural number. If we take the domain from r star to natural numbers, is it function 1, 1? If x1 comma x2 belongs to natural numbers such that f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies a तो होता है तो 1, 1 होता है. What about onto? What about onto? If you take 7 here, if you take integer here 7, इसका pre-image 1 by 7 होना चाहिए. 1 by 7 is not in the n. Therefore, it is not onto if the domain has been changed to n. Okay, that is what you have to understand. If the function f whose domain has been changed from r star to n is clearly 1, 1, but it is not onto. Why it is not onto? If you take any integer here, the pre-image of that integer should be reciprocal of that. So 7 लिया आपने, so 1 by 7 should be the pre-image because f of 1 by 7 लिखेंगे तो 7 आता. But 1 by 7 does not belongs to n. That's why 7 does not have pre-image. कोडोमाइन में अगर एक एलिमेंट का भी प्री इमेज नहीं है तो वो फंक्शन ऑन टू नहीं है.